In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set up an FAQ section in WordPress. When launching a website, you may need to add an FAQ section for frequently asked questions. This can help reduce questions from your users and customers, and it's super easy to make. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Quick and Easy FAQs and press Enter. And this is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button is going to change to Activate. So click on it to activate the plugin, and then once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. If you notice, you'll see the FAQs icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, and then click on FAQ. All your FAQ questions will be here. Click here on Add New to add your questions. In the title, enter the question. And in the body section, enter the answer to the question. Then click on Publish. Click on FAQ again. And now we have the question here that we just added. So repeat the same process and add as many questions as you want. Now let's create a new page for the FAQ section. Give this page a title. And in the body, just type this shortcode. I'll put this shortcode in the description below. Now click on Publish. And let's see how the page looks. And as you can see, the plugin has automatically arranged our questions in a numbering scheme. And when you click on a question, you're redirected to that question. And then when you click on Back to the Index, it takes you back to the index. This is how you can set up an FAQ section in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.